Okay, welcome. So today I wanted to. All right, welcome guys. Welcome back to my 5-Minute Millionaire Mentor Journey with Tail Lopez. I had recorded a different video last week actually that I was going to post today. I just finished editing it, and I didn't really want to post it because I don't know. It didn't really convey to you guys what I really wanted to convey to you. So. One of the interesting aspects of Ty's program, especially the 5-Minute Mentor program, is that number one, it's teaching principles. It's teaching principles about money, and it's teaching principles about mindset. Mindset is probably the most important. There's no probably. Mindset is the most important thing, no matter whether you're going to work or you start your own business. Mindset is what's going to drive your success. So. I wanted to just put a quick video out today of where I'm at in the journey and where I plan on being 30, 60, 90, 120, all the way up, within a year. So I set myself a lofty goal to replace my income with my affiliate marketing. I want to replace the contract income I have. I've actually had one of the principles that's taught in this program that was a principle I already knew, and it's what we founded JPCashFlow on, which was multiple streams of income. And Ty's 5-Minute Mentor program is going to drill that into your head because it's important. It's important. The wealthy people in this country have multiple streams of income. They don't rely on one, so that when something like what's happening right now, where the government is shutting things down, unconstitutionally, but whether they're creating a lot of problems in the country, and it's affecting everyone's paycheck, right? It's affecting everyone's income. It doesn't affect wealthy people, not because they're greedy and snobby and all the things you see on CNN and the news outlets. It doesn't affect them because they have multiple streams of income, because when one income is reduced or is minimized or even shut off, they have other streams of income that pick up the weight of it. And on top of that, wealthy people are big savers. They're big savers of their income to invest in other assets that generate income. And that's where multiple streams of income falls into place as well. So I'm gonna throw in a picture here I took. It was at Starbucks. It's a great offer. You can get in their unlimited coffee program for $8.99 a month. So if you're a coffee drinker, great program. I don't make any money from Starbucks, I'm telling you that. I just thought it was interesting because this program that Ty offers, that I'm offering you through my affiliate link, costs less than that. It costs $60. So do the math. If you can't do the math, you definitely need to take this course on money. But you guys, everyone can do the math on what that is. $60 for the year. Right? And I don't know if it's still going on. My affiliate link had a discounted rate. So if you click on it, you may get the discounted rate, but $60 a year. There are a ton of things you are going to learn. Are you having trouble with your credit? This program will show you how to increase your credit, and you can do it in a day. Are you having trouble saving money? This program will show you how to do that. Are you having trouble being excited about something or generating another stream of income? This program is going to show you that. Are you worried about the future? This program is going to help you overcome that. There are so many things that this 5-Minute Mentor program does, and you watch a 5-minute video every single day. Stick with the program for a full year, which will cost you less than a monthly subscription of coffee from Starbucks, and it will teach you a whole lot more than a monthly subscription of coffee from Starbucks. So I highly encourage you to click on the link. It is going to start your journey on multiple streams of income, which is what you need to do to be successful in America. And if you want to be wealthy and you don't want to have to worry about finances, especially during crises like these, you definitely should be clicking on the link. I'll leave links to my other programs that I'm affiliates with through Tail Lopez, as well as the Option Profit Formula Success Academy, which is now currently open. It's going to close soon. That's where I learned how to generate about 1% to 2% off of my saved 401k money. This month I generated, well, we'll find out today. I either generated for the month of May $3,400, which is slightly below the average. I've been generating just about $4,000 a month. So 3,400, or if after today, if the market does go up, I will generate 6,000. So I'll leave links to that. You can learn that in the Success Academy. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. You never know. You may not be interested in this program, but there's probably a friend of yours or an associate of yours that is. Go to JPCashFlow.com, subscribe, click on the notification bell. You'll get updates whenever we do new videos. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. We'll see you in next week's video.